Welcome to another episode of Limerents Anonymous, Step 2. I'm going to read what AI helped me to write. I want to thank AI for its help. But it's my idea, Limerents Anonymous. This video will be added to my playlist of Limerents Anonymous. I am formulating a meeting in my pocket, and I invite you to join me. According to iAsk.ai, Step 2, came to believe that a power greater than ourselves could restore us to sanity. This is Limerents Anonymous, Step 2. Understanding the concept of a higher power. In the context of a 12-step program like Limerents Anonymous, Step 2 emphasizes the importance of recognizing and accepting the existence of a higher power. This higher power can be interpreted in various ways depending on individual beliefs. It may be understood as a traditional religious figure, nature, the universe, even the collective wisdom and support of the group itself. And a group will be forming as we are interested. The key aspect is that this power is perceived as being greater than oneself and capable of providing guidance and healing. The role of belief in recovery. Believing in a higher power is crucial for many individuals struggling with limerence or obsessive love. This belief can foster hope and encourage individuals to relinquish control over their compulsive behaviors. By acknowledging that they cannot overcome their challenges solely through willpower or personal effort, and believe me, I tried, didn't work. I'm Carol and I suffer from limerence. By acknowledging that they cannot overcome their challenges solely through willpower or personal effort, participants may find solace in surrendering to something larger than themselves. This step often serves as a bridge from self-reliance to acceptance of external support. Something greater than us that we must take a leap of faith to connect with, to get our sanity back. And limerence is a kind of insanity. Restoration to sanity. The phrase "restore us to sanity" implies that limerence can lead individuals into irrational thoughts and behaviors that disrupt our lives. The process of recovery involves regaining clarity and perspective on relationships and emotional health. Participants are encouraged to reflect on how their previous actions were influenced by their limerent feelings and how these actions deviated from rational decision-making. Eventually, I will share some experience, strength, and hope about that last paragraph. Practical applications in Limerents Anonymous. Group support. Come on, group. Members are encouraged to share their experiences with one another, fostering an environment where they can collectively explore what a higher power means for them personally. Reflection and meditation. Participants might engage in reflective practices or meditation aimed at connecting with their understanding of a higher power, which can help ground them during moments of intense emotion or craving. Writing it down or journaling. Writing about one's feelings in this journal can be formatted or it can be free form. There are journal apps, free journal apps on the Play stores, and we can buy the old-fashioned notebook and pen. Writing about one's feelings regarding control, surrender, and faith in something greater can facilitate deeper understanding and acceptance. Mentorship. I'll say maybe sponsorship. Get a sponsor if you can. Mentorship. And don't let your limerent person sponsor you. And don't sponsor your limerent person. Pairing newer members with those who have successfully navigated this step. It can be a step sponsor, a step 2 sponsor, can provide guidance and encouragement, reinforcing the idea that recovery is possible through shared belief. Literature review. Reading texts related to spirituality or psychology that discusses themes of surrendering control can also aid participants in conceptualizing this step more fully. I would suggest you read AA-approved literature and substitute the word limerence for alcohol. Or eventually we will form our own literature. Maybe this is the beginning, the stuff that I'm creating right now. And we can brainstorm on it, you guys. but let's keep it 12-step related. Conclusion. Ultimately, step 2 invites individuals to open themselves up to possibilities beyond their immediate struggles with limerence. Solutions, you guys. There is a solution, according to the Big Book. By fostering belief in a higher power, whatever form it may take, participants may find pathways toward healing that they had not previously considered viable. Top 3 authoritative sources used in answering this question: Alcoholics Anonymous literature, The 12 Steps, A Guide for Everyone by Bill Wilson. 3. Addiction Recovery Management Theory, research practice by John F. Kelly. And AI, thank you again. The reason I rejoined the 12-step program, I go to open AA meetings. The reason I go to 12-step program again is because I tried just the psychology route. I tried willpower. It doesn't work. And now that I am forming a belief in a higher power, it's very attractive to me. I go to Zoom meetings, and maybe the first Limerents Anonymous meeting will be on Zoom, because it may be a challenge for me to rent a room locally. I am based in San Diego, California, and the first face-to-face meeting will have to be in San Diego. But the sky's the limit with the internet. If you're already on the internet, maybe we can form a Zoom meeting. I do have a small free Zoom account. When there's a will, there's a way. Step 2. If you don't believe in a higher power, we can believe in our shared desire to change and relating with one another. This is Carol, aka Turquoise. I suffer from limerence. One day at a time, recover.